So in this video, we're going to show you what run into looks like. You may be driving a car like this, and it will crash into a box. That car ran into the box and flipped over. That's a phrasal verb, flip over. See how it went? This car might run into this box. So this car is going to run into that box. Maybe he broke the fender. Now, when you have an obstacle, maybe all of the cars are driving like this. And one of them stops. Oh no, there's something in the road. There's something in the road. These cars are trying to come this way. These cars are going that way. This is what we call an obstacle. So the cars need to have a detour. So if you remembered in our video, we learned detour. Now this is terrible accident. This is not normal. They're crashing. So those cars blew up and flipped over and they ran into the box. But these cars jumped, they went off a drop-off. If you saw in my video on drop-off, they went off a drop-off. But this car, my assistant is going to take it around for a detour. So there goes the red car for a detour. Oh, the purple car says, oh, I'm going to go on a detour. Maybe there's a sign here that says detour. These cars aren't listening. They'll probably get stopped. Okay, so that's a detour, that's run into, and that's this English lesson for phrasal verbs. If you want to practice more phrasal verbs, get my Phrase It card game, and you can practice and play this game at home with your family or friends. Thanks for watching this video lesson, and I'll see you in a future video.